Oh lala, mantika. That's why talagang mao na guys nga di gyud ko ganhag luto-luto. Even when I was in abroad, lucky me noodles again ko kay just a matter of hot water. Wa na. After 5 minutes, kaon na. Pero dire, testing lang tanig luto kay medyo gutom. Uhahay. Wala man dire si Jongjong. Ug si Bossing nga may magluto. This is my life here in the Philippines. Good. Check out the Pad and Coffee in Balingasag. If you got hungry, just visit Pad and Coffee located at Rizal Street near Central School, Balingasag, Misamis Oriental. Batangan na to guys og sili. Yeah. Ato ko nung tistingan og sagol ning kuan. Talong. Buhay. Atong paimnog tubig kay murag napagod man. Lucky me. We call this one crab claws with vegetable recipe. Why? Bakit na maluto? I am not fan of cooking, my friend, because I'm afraid of the oil. So here is it. Oh la la. What a delicious food, my friend. Come and eating. Very nice.